it's Sandy, and in today's nail art tutorial, Minnie is going to be showing you how to create this super cute Finding Dory inspired nail art design in celebration of the new movie that hits theaters this weekend. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you love Disney Pixar movies like we do.
Hello, it's Minnie. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe for new videos every week. Let's start with a base coat to protect your natural nails. First, I'm going to create a sandwich bubble design. Apply white nail polish on the top half of the nail using a piece of makeup sponge. And then add dots using some dotting tools. Add a light blue on top. Repeat the same steps to create a few layers of bubbles. If you like a sparkly look like I do, you can sponge on some flaky polish. Let's move on to Dory. I will start with white as the base because my blue polish would be too dark on its own. If you have a perfect Dory color nail polish, you can skip this step. Create the eyes using white acrylic paint and a large dotting tool. My dotting tool wasn't quite large enough, so I'm going to use a paintbrush to make them bigger. Draw her fins. Add the black part of the eyes. Draw the eyebrows and mouth. Paint the fins with yellow and black. Add the freckles with aqua to complete. Moving on to Nemo, apply orange nail polish. Paint his eyes in the same way as Dory's. Draw an arch on his head. Draw a few lines for the fins. Make sure to draw his lucky fin smaller than the other fin. I'm using a dark brown for his eyes and other features, but if you prefer, you can use black instead. Add sparkles to his eyes to complete. Since we are creating Finding Dory nails, I decided to paint one of the new characters, Hank. Draw the outline with white and fill the inside. Then paint with a light orange. Using a dark orange, paint the eyes, the outside of the tentacles, and the body. white to the eyes and draw a line under the bottom eyelids. Using a small dotting tool or the tip of a brush, add some dots to his tentacles. You can keep his eyes fully open or make them half closed by adding the eyelids. And that's the end of Hank. Apply top coat to seal the design and add a beautiful shine. I hope you liked this design, and if you like to watch more awesome nail art tutorials, click the info card button on the top. Thank you for watching.